ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यंकरवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नमस्कारः, स्वागतं पुनरेकवारं। भो संस्कृत छात्राः प्रणयिनः च एतावता अस्माभिः प्रस्तावना प्रिल्यूड् इति कथ्यते। आङ्ग्लभाषायां प्रस्तावना पठ्यमाना वर्तते। प्रस्तावनायाः अन्तः इदानीम् अद्य भवति अस्मिन् वर्गे। यतोहि प्रस्तावनायाम् अस्यां कथायाः मूलपात्राणि यानि मूलपात्राणि सन्ति, चत्वारि पात्राणि, तत्र त्रयाणां पात्राणां तत्र परिचयः दत्तः। अन्यः तत्र अन्यत् पात्रं यद् वर्तते शेषं तद् शीघ्रमेव प्रविशति प्रथमकथासु। यतोहि अस्मिन् द्वितीयतन्त्रे मित्रसम्प्राप्ति नामकतन्त्रे षडेव तत्र कथाः सन्ति, षट् कथाः सन्ति। एतासु कथासु आगामिनि प्रथमकथायामेव तत्र प्रवेशः भविष्यति, चतुर्थस्य पात्रस्य प्रवेशः। एतावत् पर्यन्तं वयं we have seen so far the mouse, Chitragriva, Hiranyaka mouse, and Lagupatanaka, the crow, and Mantaraka we have seen. Mantaraka, the new entrant, character which has just been introduced in this lesson, in this prelude. So another character is going to be introduced very soon. Srinivas, you can start.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Atatam.
Yeah. अथतं समालोक्य मन्थरकः लघुपतनकम् आह, भोः कोऽयं मूषकः, कस्मात् त्वया भक्ष्यभूतोऽपि पृष्ठमारोप्यानीतः, तत् न अत्र स्वल्पकारणेन भाव्यम्। तत् श्रुत्वा लघुपतनक आह, भोः हिरण्यको नाम मूषकोऽयं मम सुहृद्, द्वितीयमिव जीवितं तत् किं बहुना।
So you can see on the on your systems, the poem number 64 highlights the importance of a friend's hug. How powerful the hug of a friend is. Jappi, like in our movies, it has been highlighted. Otherwise, people have taken so much inspiration from Panchatantra. Like I told you, Srinivas, the movie which became so famous, entertaining movie, Munna Bhai MBBS. Sorry. Sorry, where the importance of a hug is highlighted in the movie. Human hug. Sorry. Human hug's importance is shown in the movie. So here also the Vishnu Sharma, our writer, brings about the importance of this friends and their embrace. And it is more than the coolness given by the water. It is more than anything else. And it is mulya vivarjita, it is said earlier. It is priceless. So then, atha tam samalokya. Tam samalokya. Tam means here the mouse. Seeing the mouse, Hiranyaka, Hiranyakam samalokya, društva mantarakaha, Lagupatanakam aha. Mantaraka, who is the new friend now, who is being visited by the crow Lagupatanaka along with the Hiranyaka, the mouse. So Mantaraka, out of curiosity, asked him, having seen that mouse, Tam Hiranyakam društva samalokya Mantarakaha Lagupatanakam aha. Apruchad boho ko ayam mushakaha. Who is this rat? Who is this mouse? Kasmat tvaya Bhakshya bhutopi prustam aropya anitaha. How come? Why did you bring him? Why did you carry him on your back? Kasmat, for what reason? Why? Tvaya, by you, bhakshya bhutopi, though this mouse is your prey, you are eatable, bhakshya bhutaha, it is your food. Prustam aropya, having made him mount on your back. Prustam aropya anitaha is brought. You have brought him to me, although he is your food, he is your prey, carrying him on your back. Who is he? Tatra atra swalpa karanena bhavyam. Tanna atra, sorry. Tanna atra swalpa karanena bhavyam. There can't be a small reason. That means there should be a great reason for you to have carried this mouse on your back, though he is your eatable. Tat na atra swalpa karanena swalpa hetuna bhavyam. There can't be a small reason. There must be some big reason. Tachrutva. Listening to that, Laghupatanaka, the crow said, Oh, friend, Hiranyako nama mushakaha ayam. Hiranyakaha nama mushakaha ayam. Hiranyako nama mushako ayam. So this is, then he introducing. The crow is introducing his friend mouse. By name he is Hiranyaka and he is a rat, as you can see. Mushakaha ayam. Mama suhrud. Mama mitram na suhrud. He is my bosom friend. Dvitiyamiva jivitam. And look at this word used here, Srinivas. Dvitiyamiva jivitam. I think somewhere in some class I highlighted this point. Somewhere we came across.
Yeah.
Dvitiyamiva jivitam. Did we come across in Mitra Bheda? I don't know. No, he is like my second life. Dvitiyamiva jivitam. Exactly the same thing is echoed, is told by one writer. Whenever I come across this point, I quote him. Arthur Goidel, very less known writer in English, who has written alphabetic Odette, letter to Odette. That is the caption of the book, letter to Odette. I don't know who the author is. I searched, I could not find it. He has written A for ability, B for books, like alphabetic. He has taken alphabet, and on each alphabet he has written one essay. He's an essayist. So when it comes to F on friendship, he writes, to have a friend is almost like having a second self, more staunch, reliable than the first, he says. Exactly the same. Vitiyamiva jivitam. He is like my second life. Look at the wording of this English author. To have a friend is almost like having a second self. Dvitiyamiva jivitam. Are you understanding?
Yeah.
Almost like having a second self, more reliable, staunch, and positive than the first. He has used these many adjectives, Goidel. And our Panchatantra says that. Dvitiyamiva jivitam. He is like my second life. That shows the ultimate signification of having a friend, a true friend, that too. When you have a true friend, Sanmitra with you, you are doubled, you are doubling yourself. You are doubling yourself. You are not one, you are just like two people. You are. That idea is that you are no more a single person, you are no more a lone person, but you have doubled yourself. That is the expression, beautiful expression. Mama sukhrut dvitiyamiva jivitam. Tat kim bahuna, what to say more? And then he talks about his qualities like this. Now, go ahead.
Parjanyasya yatha dhara yatha cha divitarakaah bhutale renavo yadvat sankhya parivarjitaah.
Now, what to say? Tat kim bahuna, what to say more? When a person says that he is my friend more than my life, he is like my second life, then what to say more? He says, Parjanyasya yatha dhara, like the streams of rain. Like the stream of rain. Can we count how many drops are showered by the stream rain? No. Parjanyasya varshasya yatha dhara. Just like the stream of rain, pour of rain. Yathacha, just as divitarakaha, just as there are as many tarakaha, stars in the sky. How many can we count? Uncountable, beyond calculation.
Yeah.
Like the stream pouring down of the rain cannot be measured, like the taraka stars cannot be measured in the divi akashe. Bhutale renavo yadvat, like the renu, the particles or sand particles on the ground, on the earth. Sand is abundantly available. As many particles of sand. Bhutale, bhumo, renavaha yadvat, like that. असंख्यया परिवर्जिताः असंख्यया परिवर्जिताः एतस्य मम सुहृदः एषः हिरण्यकः वर्तते खलु एतस्य हिरण्यकस्य मम सुहृदः गुणाः तावन्तः गुणाः वर्तन्ते यावन्त यावत्यः तारकाः आकाशे भवन्ति यावती धारा तत्र पर्जन्यस्य भवति एवमेव यावन्तः रेणवः भूतले विद्यन्ते तावन्तः यावन्तः रेणवः विद्यन्ते नाम रेणूनां तत्र संख्या अपि असंख्यकाः रेणवः असंख्यकाः तारकाः असंख्यका तत्र धारा भवति एवमेव एतस्य मम सुहृदस्य गुणाः अपि संख्यया परिवर्जिताः संख्यारहिताः इति अर्थः. There is no number to say that so many qualities, like all these are uncountables, na? Yeah, uncountables. Yadvat, just like asankhya parivarjitaha, just as these three upamanas, these three things which are told here are beyond the calculation, beyond the number, so does my friend have quality. And the next poem is linked poem here. Yeah, read it.
गुणाः संख्या परित्यक्ताः तद्वदस्य महात्मनः परं निर्वेदमापन्नः सम्प्राप्तोऽयं तवान्तिकम्.
Gunaha sankhya parityaktaha, idea coming from the previous. There sankhya parivarjitaha gunaha. Now gunaha sankhya parityakta, sankhya parityaktaha varjitaha. That means qualities left out by the number. Number cannot be given to them. So innumerable qualities. Sankhya gunaha sankhya parityaktaha parivarjitaha tadvad, like that, just like qualities which cannot be counted, tadvat, in the same way, asya mahatmana, of this great soul. Now a mouse is called mahatma here. Mouse cannot be literally taken to be a mouse here. Mouse like person, we know that. So tadvat asya mahatmana gunaha asankhyakaa santi iti param, but although having innumerable qualities like the above things said, like the sand pebbles, like the stars in the sky, like the flow of the, what do you call, the streams of rain, etc. Param, but, Srinivas, last class also we emphasized the but.
Yeah.
Param, but is a bit of poison. Param nirvedamapannaha, dukkamapannaha, but he has been under depression, you can see. Nirveda means he has been under depression. He has come to, presently he is depressed or detached. Nirvedamapannaha sampraptaha. Nirvedamapannaha sampraptaha. He has come. Tava antikam. Agataha tava antikam. Being depressed, he has come over to you. But his qualities are innumerable. In course of time, I will be telling you many qualities of my friend Hiranyaka. That is the idea. Sampraptaha agataha ayam namatra Hiranyakaha tava antikam tava samipam. So he has come to you. Next.
मन्थरकाः किमस्य वैराग्यकारणं वायसाः पृष्टो मया तत्रैव परमनेनाभिहितं यद् बहुवक्तव्यमस्ति तत् तत्रैव गत्वा कथयिष्यामि इति ममापि न निवेदितम्। तद् भद्र हिरण्यक इदानीं निवेद्यताम् उभयोः अपि आवयोः तद् आत्मनः वैराग्यकारणं सोऽब्रवीत्।
So Mantaraka said, having listened to this extolling, praising, glorifying qualities, glorifying about the qualities of the rat, Hiranyaka, Mantaraka, the new friend, Mantaraka said, Turtle, Kim asya vairagya karanam? Asya mushikasya vairagya karanam kim? What is the reason for his detachment in life, depression in life? Vayasa said, the crow said, Kaka, aha, prushtaha maya tatra eva. He was asked by me there only before we came here. Prushtaha maya tatra eva, mama purvashrami. Param parantu anena na avihitam. Parantu anena mushikena, anena hiranyakena na abhihitam na uktam.
अभिहितं sir, अभिहितं. It is na is not there. No, param anena abhihitam yad.
Sorry. Okay. Param anena abhihitam na abhihitam. Param anena abhihitam uktam. But he said, yad that bahu vaktavyam asti. Bahu vaktavyam asti. A lot is to be told. Tat, therefore, tatraiva gatva, tatraiva, nutana pradesham gatva, nutana desham gatva, kathayishyami, I will tell you. So I asked him there only, but he said, there is lot to be told, Baba. I will tell you. Let us go first, get out of this situation. Tatraiva gatva kathayishyami iti mama api na niveditam. So he did not tell me also. Tad vada Hiranyaka. Oh, come on, Hiranyaka, now you tell. Idanim, now you can tell. Because we have come to the Tatraiva Gatva, the new place you have come to. Idanim, Adhuna, Nivedyatam. Nivedyatam, please make it open, inform. May it be informed. Ubhayoho. Now, not one Hiranyaka. Hiranyaka is not going to address one. Not one person is there now. That Laghupatanaka is now joined by another friend. Ubhayoho api avayoho. Ubhayoho avayoho referring to Ubhayoho Kaka Mantarakayoho. Atmanaha, your whatever your Vairagya Karanam, your depression or the reason for your detachment. Why were you so much detached? And why you could not tell me there and you said you will tell having come here. Now you please tell. Saha Abravit. Then he said Saha Abravit means he started. Now Hiranyaka starts the very first story in the Mitra Samprapti. Idanim atra Prathama Katha, Prarambika Tatra Prastavana Etavata Samapta Asti. Idanim Prathama Katha Praravati. Hiranyaka Tamra Choda Katha. Hiranyakasya Vairagya Karanam Uchyateno. Etasyam Prathama Kathayam Mitra Sampraptau. Prathama Kathayam Hiranyakasya Vairagya Karanam Kim iti Uchyati. Yeah. We are going to see now this cause for the detachment of the mouse. What made the mouse leave his home and come along with the crow? Right.
हिरण्यक ताम्र चूड़ कथा अस्ति दक्षिणात्ये जनपदे महिलारोप्यं नाम नगरम् तस्य न अतिदूरे मठायतनं भगवतः श्री महादेवस्य तत्र च चाम्रचूडो नाम परिव्राजकः प्रतिवसति स्म स च नगरे भिक्षाटनं कृत्वा प्राणयात्रां समाचरति.
Okay, you can pause there. There is a mistake there. Tatra cha chamra, not chamra, tamra chodo.
Oh.
There is a printing typo because you can see the caption there.
Yes,
tamra choda, and please correct that. It is not chamra, it is tamra choda. Like any other story, Srinivas, our story again begins. Asti Dakshinartiye Janapadi Mahila Aropyam Naganagaram Namanagaram. There is a city Mahila Aropya in the southern part. we fancifully said it could be Mylapore, etc. We do not know. Tasya na atidure, not far away from that. Matha Ayatanam, there was a temple, monks. Bhagavataha, there was a temple, Matha Ayatanam, where monks were also lived. Bhagavataha Sri Mahadevasya, there was the temple of Mahadeva Shiva, Lord. Tatracha there, Tamra Chodaha Nama Parivrajaka, a sannyasi, Parivrajati, Sarvam Tyaktva Parivrajati iti Parivrajakaha, Tamra Chodaha Nama Parivrajakaha sannyasi, Prativasati Sma, used to live there. This story is, isn't it like our Ashada Bhuti opening?
Yes.
There also one sannyasi lives, and he made lot of money by selling the clothes, etc. Sacha means sacha parivrajakaha nagare bhikshatanam krutva. Sannyasis as usual in India, they used to go about begging, bhikshatanam krutva, having gone for begging daytime. Pranayatram samacharati. He used to pass his life. He used to get along. Pranayatra means he used to live on. Samacharati. Bhiksha sesham cha. Okay. You would get, you have to read the entire paragraph.
भिक्षा शेषं च तत्रैव भिक्षापात्रे निधाय तद् भिक्षापात्रं नागदन्ते अवलम्ब्य पश्चात् रात्रौ स्वपिति प्रत्यूषे च तदन्नं कर्मकराणां दत्वा सम्यक् तत्रैव देवतायतने सम्मार्जनोपलेपन मण्डनादिकं समाज्ञापयति.
So he would go for begging, and then Nagara, in the city, and that is how he was living. Bhiksha sesham. Now there used to be some remnant of the remaining of the bhikshanna. Bhiksha sesham. What, he would not throw it off. Bhiksha sesham cha tatraiva, there only. Bhiksha patre, in the same begging bowl. Bhiksha patre, in the same begging bowl. Nidhaya, having kept the remaining food of bhiksha in the begging bowl itself. Tad bhiksha patram. What do you used to do? Tad bhiksha patram, that very begging bowl. Nagadante. Nagadanta means, Naga means gaja, danta means the tusk. Any peg, like Srinivas, we hang clothes on pegs. It's a very common thing in India.
Yeah.
We have so many things to hang on our clothes. So Nagadanta refers to that curved form. So Nagadanta here, it does not literally mean, it may refer to like that Nagadanta, the tusk of an elephant, but here peg, P-E-G in English, peg, to hang on cloth. Tad bhiksha patram Nagadante avalambya. So he used to hang the bhiksha patra on top, on the peg. Paschat, then Ratro, at night, Swapiti, he used to sleep. This was his practice. Every day he used to get some bhiksha, eat to his content, and then remaining he would keep in the begging bowl itself and then hang it on the peg. And in the morning, pratyushe udayecha tad annam. This is how, see how management of food, how this sannyasi was a clever man. He used to eat, and then remaining he used to keep it on the top, and then next morning, pratyushe, tadannam, the same food, leftover food, karmakaranam datva, he used to give it to the workers who would come to clean the temple. So temple has to be cleaned every day, isn't it? Karmakaranam datva, giving to the workers, samyak tatraiva, there only properly, devata ayatane, in the temple itself. Then what would he get done in turn by giving the food? So samyak tatraiva, there only, very properly, devata ayatane, devata mandire, sammarjana, he used to get things like this done through the workers, karmakara. What things? Sammarjana means mopping, cleansing. Lepana means sammarjana is sweeping. Sorry, sammarjana is sweeping. Sammarjana. Upalepana means smearing, cow dung, etc. In those days, First sweep, like we are now sweeping and mopping with Lysol, etc. Sammarjana, Upalepana means cow dung. Upalepana is cow dung. And then Mandanadikam, then decorating. So first cleansing the whole thing, and then what do you call sanitizing with cow dung, lepana, and then mandana, decorating things, keeping things in the proper order. Mandanadikam samaagnapayati used to get done. So sannyasi would not use that waste, the remaining food. He would give it to the workers and get the things, the entire premises of the temple cleaned and well decorated. Yes.
Anyasmin ahani mama bandhavaihi niveditam. He Swamin mathayatane siddhamannam muushaka bhayat tatraiva bhikshapatre nihitam nagadante avalambitam tishtati sadaiva tadvayam bhakshayitum na shaknumaha swaminah punaragamyam kimapi nasti tatkim vruta atanena anyatra adya tatra gatva yathecham bhunjamahe bhavat prasadat.
So this is the first paragraph, gives us the story introduction that there was a monk, a sannyasi, yati, by name Tamrachuda. He used to live in a temple and then used to beg and eat and then leave the food like this and then get the premises, the temple, the mutt cleaned by the workers next morning. That is all. Anyasmin ahani, on the one day, next day. On a day, you can see, on one day, Mama, who is speaking here, Mama? Hiranyaka, remember. Mama is said by Hiranyaka, is narrating his story, Vairagya Karanam, to both the new friends, Mantharaka and Laghupatanaka.
Yeah.
So, Mama Nama Hira Mushikasya Bandhavaihi. Mushika also has friends, relatives here. My relatives Bandhavaihi Niveditam. So my Bandhugana, my relatives, my relatives and friends, whoever you Bandhava, they by them Niveditam I was told, Swamin, oh Lord. So this Mushika Hiranyaka was the leader of some Moses rats here. So they all approached him and then Swamin, hey Swamin, Bho Swamin, Mata Ayatane, Siddhamannam, Mushaka Bhayat Tatraiva Bhikshapatre Nihitam. In the Mata, referring to the same Mata which is described above, Mata Ayatane, in the Mata, Siddhamannam, ready food, ready to eat food. Now I am reminded of that Sukti. Siddhamannam Parityajya Bhikshamatati Durmati. It's a very famous quote. You heard it?
No.
Siddhamannam, the same word. Siddhamannam Parityajya Bhikshamatati Durmati. Here in this context, Bhiksha is there, Siddhamannam is also there. So, mouse is very intelligent because when everything is ready, Siddhamannam Mushaka Bhayat, there is a ready food, like ready to eat. Nowadays we advertise, ready to eat junk food. Siddhamannam Mushaka Bhayat, due to the fear of the rats, Tatraiva, there only, Bhiksha Patre, in the begging bowl, Nihitam is kept. Now in the temple, so the followers and relatives and friends of this Mushaka came over and pleaded with the king, pleaded with their leader. Swamin, there is ready food in the temple every day that is being kept in the begging bowl. Nagadante avalambitam, they have watched all this and it is hung on the peg. Tishtati sadaiva, always it is there. Tad, therefore, vayam bhakshayitum na shaktumaha. That we are unable to eat because it is kept at a very unreachable spot, height. Bhakshayitum na shaknumaha. We are not able to. Swaminaha punaha agamyam kimapi nasti. But for you, Swami, you are my leader, you are our leader. There is nothing like unapproachable to you, impossible to you. You can jump. You are our leader. Swaminaha punaha agamyam kimapi na asti. Tat, therefore, kim vrutatanena anyatra. So why should we go elsewhere when Siddhamanam is available. I think this is where the Sukti came in Srinivas. Siddhamanam parityaja vikshamatati durmatihi. So a foolish fellow goes all around leaving the ready food.
Yeah.
So that is exactly the same here. Tat kim, why? Vrutha atanena, vrutha gamanena, anyatra. Then why should we go elsewhere when readily food is available there, ready food? Adya today, tatra gatva, today we'll go there. Having gone there to the Matayatanam, yathecham, icham anusrutya, yathecham, as for our desire, bhunjumaye, we will enjoy, we will eat. Bhunje, bhunjvaihe, bhunjumahe. Bhuja dhatu, to enjoy, eat, Srinivas. This is seventh gana. Bhunje, bhunjvaihe, bhunjumahe. Bhunjumahe, we will all enjoy. Bhunjumahe. Bhavat prasadat. Condition is bhavat prasadat, because of your
Grace.
Yeah, grace. If you, yeah. So they put the onus on the leader, right?
तद् आकर्ण्य अहं सकलयूथ परिवृतः तत्क्षणादेव तत्र गतः उत्पत्त्य च तस्मिन् भिक्षापात्रे समारूढः तत्र भक्ष्यविशेषाणि सेवकानां दत्त्वा पश्चात् स्वयमेव भक्षयामि सर्वेषां तृप्तौ जातायां भूयः स्वगृहं गच्छामि.
So in these 3 lines, our Sharmaji, Vishnu Sharma, tells us the qualities of a leader also. How should a leader conduct himself? Through the leadership of mouse. Tad akarnya, tad shrutva. Having listened to that, listen to the words of the Bandava. Aham nama tatra mushikaha. Hiranyakaha, aham mushikaha, hiranyakaha. Sakala yuta parivrutaha. Look at the wording here. Sakala samasta yuta samoha parivrutaha. Surrounded by my followers. Group of my followers. Like a leader is nowadays a common thing now. Even till date, if there is a leader, he will be surrounded by his followers.
Yeah.
Sakala yuta means a group, samuha. Sakala samasta samuha parivrutaha. I, being surrounded by my followers, tat kshanat, immediately. No, he's been encouraged. The moment they pleaded with him, he got boosted up, his morale. Samavruta parivrutaha, surrounded by tat kshanadeva, immediately, without any lapse of time. Tatra gataha, I went there. Utpatyacha, and then jumped. Utpatya means upari. Utpatanam means jumping. Utpatya levanta cha tasmin bhiksha. See how what you call enthusiastically he is narrating the anecdote. Utpatya, having jumped tasmin bhiksha patre, into that begging bowl, samarudaha, I climbed. Tatra, there, bhakshya visheshanani, whatever things were eatables were there. Sevakanam datva, mama sevakanam datva, having given to my followers, my servants. On one side he says Bandhu Varga, on another side he says Yuta Parivrata, and then here Sevaka. So he was not only encircled by relatives and friends, but also servants, Srinivas. Big leader, national leader. Tatra bhaksha visheshanani sevakanam datva, having offered to my servants, paschat, later, swayameva bhakshayami, then I would eat. No, this is the quality. Like in the story, we came across that Kapota, the pigeons were, earlier to this only, in the Prastavana. How, when the pigeons went over to the same Chitragriva, Laghupatanaka, yeah, Chitragriva wanted to cut the net of his friend first, but he said, no, first my followers, then me. You understand? You remember that story?
Yeah.
In this only. So, sevakanam datva paschat swayameva bhakshayami. Then only I used to eat. Now he is narrating, I used to eat. Sarvesham truptau. When all people became satisfied. Truptau jatayam. Truptau jatayam sati satyam. So when all people became satisfied, bhuyah again swagruham gacchami. Gacchami agacchami. So I would come back home. So this is how I used to do. Every day we used to go, I used to jump and then take all the eatables, supply to my servants, and then remaining, then I eat, then I would come back when all are happy. Evam.
Yeah. Evam nityameva tadannam bhakshyami. परिव्राजकः अपि यथाशक्ति रक्षति परं यदैव निद्रान्तरितः भवति तदा अहं तत्र आरोह्य आत्मकृत्यं करोमि। अथ कदाचित् तेन मम त्रासार्थं महान् यत्नः कृतः। जर्जरवंशोऽपि समानीतः। तेन सुप्तोऽपि मम भयाद् भिक्षापात्रं ताडयति। Can you pause here?
Yeah.
Evam nityameva.
Evam, in this way. So this was going on. The act of stealing, that is why the writer is so careful. Mushika, what is the literal meaning of mushika? Mushaka, mushnati iti mushaka. It steals. Musha to steal. The dhatu musha to steal, Srinivas. Mushnati iti mushaka. They are stealers, very clever stealers. Evam, stealing like this. Every day, nityameva. It is said all the time. Tad annam bhakshayami. So I would eat all the time, stealing that food kept up by the sadhu, the parivrajak. Parivrajakaha api yathashakti. Every day I used to steal the food, and parivrajaka also, the sannyasi also, yathashakti, shaktim anatikramya avyayi bhava samasa. As per his capacity, rakshati used to protect that begging bowl food. Param kintu yada eva nidrantaritaha bhavati. Whenever he was taken over by sleep. Nidrantaritaha, beautiful. Nidraya antaritaha. Whenever he was literally shielded by sleep, Srinivas. Nidra bala parajita. Ramayana, Valmiki's expression is Nidra bala parajita. When Nidra takes over, it has its own power. Nidra bala parajita. One will be defeated by the strength of the sleep. Here a different expression is used by Nidra antaritaha. Nidraya antaritaha. Shielded, covered by sleep. So sleep is like a covering to the mind, right? It's like a covering, shield to the brain. So you are off. It puts you off. Nidrantarita, whenever it is taken over by sleep, bhavati, tada aham. So every day the monk was also trying to protect that food. But the moment he got into sleep, tada, then aham, tatra, there, aruhya, I used to climb that, jump up, utpatya, as earlier said, aruhya, utpatya, atmakrutyam karomi. I would do my activity. Activity of supplying it to my followers and then eating and then getting away. Atha kadachit tena mama trasartam mahan yatnaha krita. But one day it so happened, this was going on very smoothly. One day the sannyasi parivrajaka kadachit tena parivrajakena mama trasartam mama bhayartam, to scare me away. What did you do? Mahan yatnaha kritaha. By that sannyasi, a great effort was done. He undertook a great effort. Jarjara vamshaha api samanitaha. Now, after some days, on some day, he brought one jarjara, very old, vamshaha, bamboo samanitaha. He brought one bamboo, old bamboo, dry bamboo. Tena suptaha api, though he was sleeping, but his hand was always at the what do you call that food item. He used to eat. Suptaha api, though asleep, mama bhayat, because of my fear, because fear of the rat bhiksha patram tadayati, he used to beat upon the begging bowl, touch him. Bhiksha patram tadayati.
Ahamapi abhakshite api अन्ये प्रहार भयात् अपसर्पामि एवं तेन सह सकालं रात्रिं विग्रहपरस्य मे कालो व्रजति अथ अन्यस्मिन् अहनि तस्य मठे बृहत् बृहस्पिन् नाम परिव्राजकः तस्य सुहृत् तीर्थयात्रा प्रसंगेन पान्थः प्रागुणिकः समायातः.
Now, ahamapi hiranyakaha api, myself, the mouse, abhakshite api anne. Sometimes I would not eat also. I could not eat because the Parivrajaka used to beat all the time. Even when he was asleep, he took a bamboo and then hit upon the Bhiksha Patra. Ahamapi abhakshite api anne. Even when the food was not eaten, prahara bhayat, because of the fear of getting struck, prahara means attack, prahara bhayat apasarpami. Sometimes without eating, I would leave the place. Evam, like this, tena saha sakalam ratrim vigraha parasya kalo vrajati. This way, I passed the whole night struggling with that ascetic. No, mouse would wait. When will he give chance? He would not give. Even sleep, suptaha api viksha patram tadayati. He was beating this. So like that, the entire night used to be passed off without eating sometimes. Now, something happened in course of time. Atha then, anyasmin ahani, on some other day, tasya parivrajakasya, tasya referring to parivrajakasya, mathe, into his temple, Bruhaspik Nama. A very funny name is there, but when you look into the literal meaning of this, Bruhatyau Spichau Yasya Saha. Spichau Spichaha. Spik means the, what do you call, the buttocks, sinuous, hips. Writer has used very carefully here. Bruhatyau Spichau Yasya Saha means the person who has got big, what do you call, hips, buttocks. Like ladies, generally ladies have that. But here, this fellow was a very fatty fellow. He had very big buttocks. Bruhat means big, spik means buttock. So Bruhaspik Nama, swing Nama. So that is his name. Big, if a writer were to translate, I did not look into writer's translation here. He would say the big buttock fellow. He would say Bruhaspik. So one sannyasi by this name may be literally having that big size of buttocks. Parivrajaka, he was also a sannyasi. Parivrajaka. Tasya Suhrit, he was the friend of the our sannyasi. Parivrajaka. Tamrachuda. Sannyasi Tamrachuda. Suhrid Tirtha Yatra Prasangena. In the, why did he come there? In the course of his traveling and taking the pilgrimage. Sannyasis go on pilgrimage, na? Tirtha Yatra Prasangena, in course of his Tirtha Yatra, Panthaha, visitor. Panthaha means a visitor, a guest. Panthaha means a traveler also. Pragunikaha means a guest. While traveling as a guest, Pragunikaha Samayataha, he came over to this very mutt where this problem was going on.
तं दृष्ट्वा प्रत्युत्थानविधिना संभाव्य प्रतिपत्तिपूर्वकम् अभ्यागतक्रियया नियोजयितवान्. ततः च रात्रौ एकत्र कुशस्रस्तरे द्वौ अपि प्रसुप्तौ धर्मकथां कथयितुम् आरब्धौ. अथ बृहत्स्पित्.
Okay, we'll do this passage first. Tam Društva, seeing him, whom Bruhaspicham, that new monk Parivrajakam Društva, Pratyuthana Vidina. Pratyuthana Vidina means, when a guest comes, you got to get up. Generally we don't welcome a guest sitting, na?
Yeah.
Pratyuthana, you get up and then receiving. So he got up, our Tamrachuda got up and then welcomed him. Sambhavya, having respected him, welcomed him by proper Maryada. Sambhavya, having respected him after getting up. So to say that having received him, having got up and received him,
Yeah.
Pratipatti Purvakam. Pratipatti Purvakam means Maryada Purvakam.
Yeah, they go up to main door and main gate.
Yeah, we go up to, just like it's a matter of courtesy. We see VVIPs also follow that. Any person, foreigner comes there. So, Maryada Purvakam, with all due respect, Maryada Purvakam, Abhyagata Kriyaya. Abhyagata Kriya means there is a protocol how to receive a guest. Abhyagata is a guest. Abhyagata Atiti Kriyaya. Whatever the way a sannyasi was welcomed by a sannyasi in those days, all those things, Niyojitavan, he applied that. He did it. He welcomed as per the custom in those days of welcoming with all due respect.
Arghyapadani Maryadaya.
Yeah, Argyapana. But sannyasis, we don't know how they do. Same thing. Yeah, okay. Niyojitavan. Tatascha thereafter, Ratrau Ekatra Kushat Srasthare. At night he has to sleep, na? So Ratrau Ekatra in one place. Krusha Srastara means Samstara. Srastara and Samstara is also there. Bed of Kushagra Srinivasa. Monks and sannyasis, they were not sleeping in ancient India on U-form beds or spring mattresses. So the mattress consisted of Kusha Srastare. Bed. Kusha Srastare. So a bed of Kusha Talpi, Dvavapi, both the visiting monk and also the guest monk, guest and host both, Dvavapi, Prasuptau, they slept. Dharma Katham Katayitum Arabdo. And then they started, what else would they speak? Sannyasi, they started speaking about the Dharma. Atha, then.
Atha Bruhatspik Katha Goshtishu Satamrachudaha Mushakatrasartham Yakshiptamana Jarjaravamshena Bhikshapatram Tadayan Tasya Shunyam Prativachanam Prayachati Tanmayo Nakinchit Udaharati.
Yes. Atha, then they slept. Now the guest was received and then they slept at night on the same bed of grass, and then Bruhaspik Katha Goshtishu. Bruhaspik started telling story that Bruhaspik Katha Goshtishu. So he was engaging his Tamrachuda, his guest host monk, Sa Tamrachuda, Mushakatrasartham. But Tamrachuda's mind was not listening. He was not alert and listening to the Dharma Katha told by Bruhaspik. He was more worried about that rat, me. The rat is telling all these things. He was more worried about my threat. Mushakatrasartham, for scaring the mouse. Vyakshiptamana, his mind was disturbed. Vyakship, how can one listen to a story when one is afraid of the food being taken away by the rat? So Vyakshiptamana, Jarjara Vamshena, with the same dry old stick, Bhiksha Patram Tadayan, and he was acting as if listening, and then he was also beating that Bhiksha Patra. Bhiksha Patram Tadayan, Tasya Shunyam Prativachanam Prayachat. When a person narrates a story, there should be some response from the listener also, na? That response from the Tamrachuda was not coming. He was not responding to. And therefore the guest monk, Bruhaspik, gets angry now, gets upset. So, Shunyam Prativachanam Prayachati, he was not giving any reply to whatever story he was narrating. Tat, therefore, Tanmayo na kinchit vyaharati. Why was he not responding? Tanmaya, because he was so much taken over by that trasartham, mouse, myself. Na kinchit udaharati, was not speaking anything because he was totally lost about the food only. He was thinking of the food and scaring me. That's it. Next.
अथ असौ अभ्यागतः परं कोपम् उपागतः कोपम् उपागतः तम् उवाच भोः ताम्रचूड परिज्ञातस्त्वं सम्यक् न सुहृत् तेन मया सह साह्लादं न जल्पसि तत् रात्रौ अपि त्वदीयं मठं त्यक्त्वा अन्यत्र मठे यास्यामि उक्तं च.
Okay, then as we just came to know, he was not listening and not answering properly to his friend when he was narrating the Dharmakatha. Atha asau abhyagataha. Then this asau, eshaha, abhyagataha atitihi param kopamupagataha. Then Brihaspati became very angry. Param kopamupagataha. Paramam kopamupagataha. He became extremely angry. And uvacha, and also said, he became angry and said, Oho tamrachuda, oh tamrachuda. Parignataha tvam samyag. Na suhrud. Now it is well known by me. I have known very well. You are not my friend. Parignataha, known. Tvam, you are. You are parignataha. Tvam parignataha. You are known. Samyak. Tvam samyak parignataha. Gnataha. Asi. You are now well known. Na suhrut. You are not a friend of mine. Why is he saying? Tena maya. That is why maya saha Sakhladam na jalpasi, because you are not talking to me with pleasure. When I am narrating your story, you are not at all responding with pleasure. And therefore you are not, now you are not my friend actually. Tad, therefore, atra, tad, ratravapi, tad, this is ayadi sandhi. Ratravapi, even at this night only, twadiyam matam tyaktva, twadiyam matam ayatanam tyaktva, leaving your mata, Anyatra mathe yasyami. I will go to some other mata. Now, since you are not behaving as you should behave, I am upset, I am angry, I want to leave right now only to some other mata. Yasyami. Uktam cha. Yeah.
Yehyagaccha samashraya asanamidam kasmachiragdrushyase kavarta vati durbalosi kushalam kritosmi te darshanat. It is not completed, sir. Can I take to the next page?
Okay.
Evam ye samupagatan pranayinah prahlaadayantyadarat तेषां युक्तमशङ्कितेन मनसा हर्म्याणि गन्तुं सदा.
Can we complete this poem?
Yes, we can.
Ehi agacha. Now, what are the characteristics of a true guest? A guest should indulge in these things. Behave like, Ehi, come, agacha. Ehi agacha means come, come. Samashraya. Asanamidam, please occupy this seat. Kasmat chirad drishyase, how come seen after a long time? Ka varta, what is the news? Niti durlabho asi. Ati durlabho asi, you are very, very weak. Now, real friend inquires such, the inquiry of a guest by the host who are both friends, it should be like this. This is the real way of talking to. You are not doing anything. You have just welcomed me, offered me some food. Then when I am narrating your story, you are just ignoring me. So, ka varta, what is the news? Ati durlabhasi, you have become very weak. You look very weak. Kushalam, is everything okay? Pritosmite darshanat, I am very happy to see you. Yeah, next page.
Durbala, sorry, this is Durbala. Ati Durbalosi.
Yeah, Ati Durbala, very weak. Ati Durbalosi, you are looking very weak. We have pulled down. Are you doing well, Kushalam, etc.? I am very happy to see you. Preetosmi te darshanam.
Yeah.
Evam ye, like this, ye samupagatan pranayinah. Ye pranayinah, those people having affection like this towards their friends. Samupagatan, the guests, those who have come home. So the guests who come home, they should be asked by these questions. How are you? Seen after a long time, you're very poor. Even though he's very fatty, you should say, Durbalo osi. Samupagatan pranayinah prahladayanti, they please. Prahladayanti anandayanti. Ye pranayinah, those affectionate people, samupagatan, gruhamagatan, prahladayanti, please, atyadarat, with too much of respect, giving too much of respect. Tesham, to them, yuktam ashankitena manasa harmyani gantum sada. And such people's house only are fit to be gone. See, guests should go only to such houses where this kind of inquiry is done.
Yeah.
But how to know? Unless you go, you will not come to know. Unless you. Now we have realized that. Tesham yuktam, it is proper. Ashankitena manasa. Ashankitena manasa. Without any doubt, such people's harmyani gantum yuktam. Such people's harmyani gruhani gantum yuktam. Such people's homes are fit to be gone. Not like you fellow. You are not listening to me at all. He's got totally upset now.
Yeah.
Harmyani gruhani gantum sada, always. Yeah, next.
Gruhi yatragatam društva.
Yatra agatam.
Oh, sir. Gruhi yatragatam društva. Disho viksheta vapyadhaha. Tatra ye sadane janti. Te shrungarahita vrushaha.
Now he is very harsh about the hosts, Atithiyam. He says, Atithi Atitheya. Gruhi, a Gruhi. Gruhi means Gruhamasya asti iti Gruhin. Gruhin Shabda, Nakaranta.
Bali, like Bali.
Yeah, like Guni Shabda.
Yeah, Guni.
Dhani, whatever it is. Gruhi means a householder. Yatra agatam društva. Yatra atitim agatam društva. A householder having seen a guest come home. Disho viksheta va apyatah adaha. A gruhi, a householder, who having seen a guest, društva agatam atitim, dishaha viksheta, if he looks around like this, guest is there, not looking at the guest. Disho viksheta va api adaha. He looks around and also, or at least down, adaha. Adaha viksheta va, dishaha viksheta va. If he looks around the corner, I mean, all directions are downward. Tatra ye sadhane yanti. To that house, whoever go there, ye atitayaha yanti gachanti. Tasmin sadhane, tasmin gruhe. Te shrunga rahitaha vrushaha. Those people are like bulls without horns. Bull has horns, but here he says they are like bulls, idiots without horns. So that means, what does that poem tell us? When a guest comes, he should be properly attended by the words described above in 67 poem. Oh, come on. Please be seated. How are you? Seen after a long time. Bahukala darshanam. Ati durbalaha drushtaha. Drushyosi, etc. Yeah.
So we'll see in the next class.
Yeah, you can take. So here bulls without right. Shivam Boyar.